boys and girls. So we've been working with this letter, the letter T. We have our capital T and our lowercase t. And remember, the letter T makes the T sound, like television and table and toes and toast and toothpaste. And something else that begins with the letter T is this flower. Do you know what kind of flower that is? This is called a tulip. A tulip is a flower that blooms in the spring, and tulip begins with the letter T. So today we're going to be doing something with tulips. Let's count how many we have here. 1, 2, 3. It says T is for tulip. Tulip begins with the letter T. So the first thing we're going to do two different things with this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to trace the dotted lines around the tulips. That's the first thing. So trace begins with the letter T. Remember, pinch your crayon, and we're going to start very slowly and carefully, tracing right on your dotted lines. Now when you're tracing, it's very important that you look at your paper and take your time. This way you can go right on those lines. Okay, very slowly and very carefully. Trace your flowers and your leaves. Now we're going to come down to the stem very carefully. Try to stay right on those lines. Okay, so there's one. And now we're going to trace the other one the same way. Slowly and carefully, looking at your paper, try to stay right on the lines as you're tracing. Okay, so whether you're tracing your name or you're tracing a tulip or anything else, look at your paper, take your time so you can go right on those tracing lines. Okay, very slowly, very carefully. Okay, so we traced our tulips, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take the ones that maybe you have cut out already. If you don't have them cut out, Mommy can cut them out for you. You could just color them if you want. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our glue, and we're going to put our glue on the back of our flower, on the back of our tulip, and then we're going to put it on your paper and fit it in like a puzzle. Okay, so let's just put that right in there like that. Press on it really good so it sticks. And there's one of our tulips. And now we're going to do the same thing with this one in the middle that we traced. Put your glue on the back. And fit it in like a puzzle. Okay. Press on it really good. And then the last one over here, you can make that whatever color you want. Some tulips are yellow, some are pink, some are white, some are purple. So you can make it whatever color you would like to make yours. I'm going to make mine red. I like red tulips. So the top part is going to be the color, okay, the pretty color, whatever color you want to make it, whether it's orange or pink or purple or yellow. Some tulips actually have a couple different colors in them. So you can make the top of your tulip whatever color you would like to make it. And then down here, you know what this is? That's the stem, okay? And then these are the leaves. So the stem and the leaves should be green. So we're going to use our green crayon, and we'll make our stem green, and we'll make our leaves green. Okay. And there we have our 3 tulips. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3. This T is for tulip. So when you're outside, maybe if Mommy has a garden or if you go somewhere else, look around the flowers, see if you find any tulips.